The Lenovo ThinkPad P16v Gen 3, 2026 model, is the latest iteration of Lenovo's value-oriented mobile workstation. It bridges the gap between the ultra-portable P1 series and the heavy-duty P16 Gen 3, offering high-end performance without the massive footprint, or price tag, of the flagship models. Processor: Intel Core Ultra, Series 2, or AMD Ryzen AI9HX options. Graphics: up to NVIDIA RTX 3000 Ada generation laptop GPU. Memory: up to 96GB DDR5, 2x SO-DIMM slots. Storage: up to 4TB PCIe Gen5 SSD, dual slots available. Display: 16-inch 16:10 aspect ratio, options up to 4K OLED with 100% DCI, P3. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Battery: 90 with rapid charge support. Blackwell Architecture: the jump to NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs offers a massive leap in AI inferencing and ray tracing performance compared to the previous Ada generation. While Gen 2 was limited to Gen 4, the Gen 3 model now supports Gen 5 SSDs for blistering data transfer speeds, critical for large 8K video files or massive datasets. The Gen 3 chassis features a slightly improved exhaust layout and materials, 75% recycled aluminum A-cover, to handle the 60W TDP of the new Ultra processors more efficiently. Full support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, alongside dual Thunderbolt 4 ports that now support PD 3.1, up to 140W charging. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. The P16v value proposition Maya and ArcGIS without crashes. The V in P16v stands for value. Versus P16 Gen 3, the P16v is lighter, 4.6 pounds versus 6 lbs, and more affordable, but it caps out at the RTX 2000 GPU, whereas the flagship P16 can go up to an RTX 5000. Versus P1 Gen 8, the P16v is thicker but offers 2 SSD slots and a dedicated number pad, which is often a deal-breaker for engineers and accountants. Note on portability: while it's marketed as more portable than the flagship, it still weighs roughly 2.1 kilograms, 4.6 pounds. It's a backpack machine, not a sleeve machine. It maintains the classic ThinkPad tank-like build quality, MILSTD 810H, and the legendary keyboard. It also carries ISV certifications, meaning software like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Revit are guaranteed to run stably on this specific hardware. At roughly 4.9 pounds, 2.2 kilograms, it's not heavy, but it's definitely more noticeable in a backpack than a MacBook Pro or a ThinkPad X1 Carbon. Port selection: it features a robust port selection, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, SD Express 7.0, but ensure you select the configuration with the ports you need, as some are optional depending on the region. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.